Hey guys, I'm Nicole.
I'm Brian, what it do?
And we are about to take y'all on this journey. We are trying to build a homestead. We're starting out with a tiny home, so y'all stick around, enjoy the ride.
Okay, so first I'm gonna get started by letting y'all know that we from Texas, Houston, baby. And the project is currently taking place in my mom's house, mainly because she has the room and her gate is wide enough to pull the tiny house out of when we're done building it. I'm here with my brother and my nephew chopping it up. They just helping me put the trailer in place so I could work on it. And check this out. I bought this for $100, got it home, started cutting on it before it ended up here at my mom's house. And I'm gonna throw in a couple of clips to let y'all see day one.
Got this bad boy to the house. And first things first, taking off these bolt things and that whole middle thing right there. And up front. Next up, we're gonna take this bad boy off. Still working on that.
Yeah, so I get started here using my favorite tool, the angle grinder, and I'm knocking this wheel well off or fender, and then I'm gonna give y'all a quick 360 so y'all can see what shape the trailer is in. Here I'm marking every 8 to 10 inches because I'm going to pre-drill holes to push my lag bolts through the frame as well as the 4x4 floor joists. Whipped out my speed square to draw my lines so that I drill in the center of them so that there's no issues when it comes to structure. You could see there that I'm trying to fit my lag bolt in to make sure I'm right. And I'm using a drill bit that is, I call it like a step down drill bit, but I don't remember the name of it. Broke out the weapon of destruction again. My angle grinder, I'm cutting off anything that's sticking out, any extra pieces, any bolts or things like that. So I put away the battery power angle grinder and whipped out one that you plug in, mainly because it's more power and I'm stripping paint and rust off of the trailer. So I needed a tool to do the job. While I was doing that, y'all see who showed up. After we got that done, we jumped on the project together and finished painting it with Rust-Oleum so we can be sure that it doesn't rust for years to come. As the wife wraps up the painting, we are gonna wrap up the video. And I took a video with my phone. Don't ask me why I didn't use a regular camera. Toward the end of this first part of the project, you could see the floor joists are there, and we are gonna work on that in the next video. So for sure, stay tuned. And listen, as always, don't play yourself. Keep pushing. Peace.